Guys, my name is Dynamic Droid, and I'm here with Blue Droid. Seriously, Blue Droid, come on, let's get the entrance. As last episode, you, that's my hat. Give it back, please.
No, too bad. You lost it.
Oh, in episode 2, he killed me and took all my stuff. I don't know where it is. So this is episode 3, and we're gonna farm. Isn't that right, Blue Droid?
Yes. First, we need to get an axe to get some materials for the fence and stuff.
Good.
Okay, do we have any stone, like, tools?
We have some seed that's gonna.
Okay, this is good.
I
can
you,
make.
you took my wood.
Too bad.
I'll take just.
There's some stuff.
Okay, I'll make an.
That's a lot of food. Okay, that's good.
I'll make an.
Where's the iron?
I'll make an axe. Grab the. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Here's the seed.
Oh,
You.
yeah, here's the iron stuff. Here's the good materials.
Oh yeah, sure. Here's
Yeah,
grab those, JC.
Yeah.
My brother Blue Lord, grab those. Can I have some food? I'm gonna grab.
There's some food there. Don't get the.
We're gonna farm the carrot and the potato, okay?
Yeah.
I'll just grab one steak in case of
Where
emergency.
should we put the farm? Behind the house? Is a good place?
Uh.
We should put the farm
Also,
behind
guys,
the
this
house?
is what we got last
Oh god, there's
episode.
so many creepers.
Oh, stay away, I swear. Oh, you wait. You could open the chest here because it's just stairs.
Yeah. Did you not notice?
Nope, not really. Arrow. Why do you put arrows?
For the bow.
You just put weapons and armor.
Creepers.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'll grab the wood for our fencing and stuff.
I got woods.
I'll grab
16.
more.
16.
Wood plank. Oh, what kind of log?
Yeah, log.
I'll grab more for fencing and stuff.
Okay. Don't kill me anyway, I don't care. I think we have enough to make a, what do you call this? A, whatever it's called.
No, I chopped a wrong tree. I don't want this chop. It takes too long to cut
but I
down.
have exactly 64.
I don't want, because guys, I don't want to leave like not ugly, but like not a good tree behind here. I just don't want to cut those type of trees. So it looks terrible. That's good. This tree. Is this a good tree? Yes, this is a good tree to cut. It takes too long for me to cut those, and I don't wanna waste my time to cut those type of trees. So that's why I've been cutting just this type, like one small one. 17. Let's grab a couple more. Maybe half a stack. Then will help my. It will help Blue Droid after that. I'm not sure if it's been laggy for me, but not quite sure.
Oh, it's turning night.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get there soon. Let me just cut down 2 more trees and I should be fine.
Should be.
Ah, I cut down the wrong tree.
I'm starting to lag too now.
Did I cut down the wrong? Yeah, I did. Again. Oh my god. No, why? I say this is enough. You know what? Let's cut down one more and we should. Please tell me this is.
Oh,
yes,
nice.
this is the right tree to cut.
Darn. Damn it.
Nice. That's enough. 30. Oh, where did you put it? Side? Or in the back?
God,
oh, you put it.
So bad?
Oh, there's already animals here coming in, coming out.
No, that's okay.
Why is there cows on? Dude, come on, sleep. Let's sleep. Come on.
I'm already lagging so bad.
Are you?
I know, I'm like the owner of the game. Like, you're the owner.
Not the owner, but you know the host.
Yeah, I'm the host of the game.
Oh, there's monster nearby.
Maybe up. Oh yeah, we have no roof.
No. Man, that'll be trouble.
I have a sword.
Do you? Kill them. I don't have any. I have nothing. Important chest. What's this again? I'm guessing this is this should be random weapon and armor.
I see it. Okay, try now.
Try?
Damn it, why do I lag?
Yeah, go.
Damn it, spiders.
Come on, make it.
This spider's annoying. How are you still alive?
Just run for it.
Trying to, God.
It's still okay. You
You
do
left
it.
the door behind.
That's okay. That's okay. Just keep running.
Yay.
Be nice. You teleport. I saw that.
I
You can
know.
see he was like
You like.
here. The teleport. Boop. He's gone. Okay,
Oh,
let's.
nice. The monster are burning. We can get the arrows and burn
Ah,
them.
yes.
Oh yeah, we have a lot of bones. We can make them into bone
Bone
meal.
meal, yeah. And I'm gonna. Then we could like grab some animals and stuff. Just lay and breed them if we would like to. Hey cows, you have some nice baby. Should I kill the chickens?
No.
We don't need them. We're just farming for food, not animals, right?
Yeah.
So I'll kill the animals.
Sure, go
I want
ahead.
your feathers. Thank you for your 2 feathers. You're so nice. I'm using axe.
Oh, 2 feathers. Nice.
I know, right?
You also got 2 feathers again.
Again, nice. You said you need more wool, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Should I kill the sheep
Well,
or
yeah,
should I make
I need the wool.
for what?
I'm gonna decorate the house next time.
Why can't stop moving? What the?
What that is there?
Seriously, stop. Nice, 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 nice. I see a creeper there. I don't want to mess with him. Creeper's too explosive.
Nice to put it in.
You have no idea how much I died from creepers. Oh, that's a baby one.
Actually, I started you.
You do, but they don't. Dude, how big are we gonna make this farm?
You see, just wait.
Should I make a bucket?
Sure.
Oh, this is a good way. Wait, wait, wait. Yeah, just cut it in here. Go put the water over here. Oh, and
Yeah,
get
this is you know this is where we're building the farm, right?
where?
Here.
Yeah.
Where you're at.
Yeah, that's why I made the hole. I'm guessing a creeper
Okay,
blew
we can
this.
make a bucket. We got 18 iron.
I'm guessing a creeper blew this place up. That's why there isn't from last time. Remember?
Oh yeah, I guess. Good.
And this is where the water would be. You should not put the gate here. Should I put it here?
Wait, what? Gate?
Yeah, you put a gate.
Oh, I thought you said gate.
Nope.
That's really offensive if you said gate.
Yeah.
Don't put the gate here.
Seriously, guys, I'm not even gonna talk about this. I'm okay with gates, just to let you know.
I think gay people like should be allowed to marry each other.
They are.
No, there in some place they're not allowed to.
Oh, you made a bucket already.
Yeah, don't make it. Did you?
Nope.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna put the wool in the random chest. It says arrows, arrows. So I'm gonna put it there. Or should there be the armor?
I forgot. I could have just done this.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab the arrow. I'm gonna put this largest that says arrow, arrow. That'll be the random chest, okay? And like armor stuff or
Wait.
would be the small chest beside it. Or we could make this
What the hell's that?
I'm just thinking.
I know that sounds so weird.
Should we change the flooring like to? We can get nether quartz since we can go to nether. That'll be much easier than normal is. What are you doing?
Liz, get out.
Okay, jeez. You don't need to be. He's mean. Let's get out of here. Okay, what do you want me to do?
Me?
Yeah. I grabbed more. Oh, creeper! Creeper alert! Behind you!
Me? Ah! Oh god! It almost blew up! When I looked back, I just saw the creeper. It's like, what the heck?
I was looking around that creeper.
There we go.
Ox! The ox!
The axe is here.
You need a shovel. You want me to help you there?
No.
I'm clearing it out, okay? Since I had nothing to do. What should I do? Collect more seeds?
I don't know.
Oh no, we could grow the carrots and we can make carrots. I don't really like wheat that much. There. Also, bro, you should put another door here.
It's not equal.
Oh yeah. Never mind, I have a brain fart. Whoops. Brain fart.
That sounds so weird.
My brothers though don't get the joke.
I know, but it does sound weird.
Oh yeah, it is equal. I thought it wasn't. I was like, block chest. This. What do you want me to do, bro?
I don't know. Go get some seeds or whatsoever. It's so easy to get seeds.
No, do you want me to get seed?
Go start the farm.
Oh yeah. I need a hoe. I thought you have a hoe. Why
No,
you?
I don't have
I'm
one.
kind of scared you putting water near our house. Oh, come on, I can't even do this parkour. It's not even parkour. Holy balls. I need some wood.
Dude, what
Oh
the
wait.
heck did you do here? No,
Oh,
you
this
made the
is.
house look so terrible.
I'm just thinking I need some sticks to make a
How
hole. I
many
think
sticks do you need?
you don't wanna know.
I got some.
No. I already got
I
some.
want some sugar cane so badly.
Sugarcane. There should be somewhere around. Oh, that's what you're doing. I'll grab the carrots and the potatoes.
I haven't seen a sugar cane yet. Like ever since we
Do
started.
you have any bone?
Yeah, there are
Bone?
like 19 bones in the chest. I'm
Oh,
looking
just
around.
21. I'm gonna grab 10 should be fine.
I'm looking around the seas. Trying to get a sugar cane.
That should be fine.
Why is it so hard to find sugar canes?
There should be around there somewhere.
I'm looking near water because they need to be beside water, right?
Yeah, to survive.
I wonder if that's actually real in real life.
Sugarcane?
Yeah.
Maybe, probably. Guys, by the way, I believe the water, this thing when you're farming, it can go 4 wide or 3 wide, bro?
Tree.
4.
Tree.
3?
Yeah.
Is it 3? I thought it was 4.
I believe it's tree.
And then it's 3.
Damn, why can't I not find any sugar cane? Why can't the man find any sugar cane?
And I need the bone. So think, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Why is
11.
it so
Wait,
freaking
what?
hard to find sugar canes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 12. 12. I was like 11 isn't what do you call this, bro? Yeah, isn't
Oh damn it.
how many did I get? I got 2. That is nice. I think I need more bone meal than this.
Killed your man.
Wow.
No, the chickens.
Yeah, I know. 3, 5. Yeah, I need more bone meal. You need like 3 bone meal just
Yeah.
to.
Oh, nice. You got 2 carrots. Oh, 3. That's nice. Are those all
Broken.
carrots?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Can you make more bone meal, bro? Kind of.
I can't make any boner without any skeleton.
Oh, there's more in the. Oh, we could hunt skeletons, can we? Oh, I have 9 with me right now, and I needed
How
12.
is it so hard to find freaking like whatever it's called, sugar cane? Yes. How is
Should,
it
should we sleep and let the skeleton burn?
Yeah.
Oh, I was holding carrots, that's why the pig was coming near me.
Oh yeah.
There's more bones in the chest, but yeah.
Nice.
I'm using a battle axe. Come on, sleep.
Right.
Sleep, my child.
Just wait, God say I'm gonna kill him.
This is a relaxing episode. Oh, guys, what should we do with the diamonds, actually?
Oh yeah.
Should we make a pickaxe and grab some obsidian with it?
What's
Okay.
what's a obsidian used without even any like stuff? You can't do
Or,
anything with it.
I don't know. What can you do with obsidian in PE? Skeletons. Oh shoot, there's a lot of creepers. There's like 50 creepers outside. Don't come. I think there's like a mobs problem here. Oh, I need more bones. I'll grab all the bones in the chest. 11 bone. Make them to bone meal.
Yo, what did you? What's up?
22 bone meal. That's nice. Looking for. Holy, that's a lot of creepers.
What?
I'm not sure if I'm this
Oh
lagging.
my god.
Sheep, come over here, sheep.
Oh, nice.
I need your wool. Bro, I need help.
Oh my god.
Oh
Look
my
at
god.
that creeper.
Get away from me, spider. I don't want to deal with you right now. Dude, there's some more behind you.
Damn it,
You were touching him. You
Really?
touched this creeper, yeah.
Oh my god, there's so many.
Bro, help. Ping pong.
Just wait, there's 2.
Take out one, I'll take out one. Oh, he's gonna
No,
explode.
there's also some Endermans. Oh god! Damn it!
Wow!
Oh,
Wow!
you saw me fly. You saw me flying, didn't you?
Yeah,
It was like boom. I was like, holy.
I think that was quite worth though.
I thought I was gonna die. I was like, damn.
I don't think you could die, bro. I'm just gonna fix this hole in the ground. Ah, my.
How is it so hard to find sugar canes here? Like seriously.
Bro, can you at least help me?
Who are you?
Wow, from Blue Droid. That's coming from Blue Droid.
I don't give.
Wow.
I just wanna kill this cow. Screw you, cow. Come on. Oh, you gave me some myth. Just one. Not even a single freaking letter. Oh shit. Nice. I can kill her.
Yeah, I have one wool for you.
Just put them in the chest, will you?
That looks okay for me. Lol.
There's a freaking spider in the freaking. How does that even work? Dude, they're climbing the house. There's a spider in the house, literally.
There's 2 spiders in the house. Let's deal with this.
Yo, go inside. Check it out. Check it out. Come
Yeah,
here.
I know. I saw them. I saw them climb up.
We need to put a roof. I mean a roof. Look at this, guys. It's like chilling.
Wait. I'm gonna kill him with the hole. Even so, he does only half a heart damage. Oh no. No.
Yeah, kill.
You know what? We should just space it and just go over here because they can't go here. It's a 1-by-1 hole. They'll be like,
Oh, I can make a rooftop already.
I do like the open view. Should we?
I don't know. I don't like the spiders coming in.
Wait, what happened to our bone thing?
Longer?
Yeah, I mean, what, like, I thought we were gonna kill some skeleton and get more bones.
Well, you should, but
No. Whatever, no.
oh,
That's
there's
okay.
some more
No
shit.
biggie.
That's cool. Yo, have you found any like red flowers or something, Rose? I need to dye stuff.
You just said you need to die.
I need to
Oh,
dye.
that one gave me 4 carrots. Love that one.
Weird but true. Weird but true.
Wow. Bro, I can't believe you just said that. If you didn't hear him, that's good. That's good that you didn't hear him.
Oh, nice. This girl gave me like, ooh, yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm sorry.
2. Wow, that's 2. Really? Come on, give me more than 2. 3? Oh, I thought that gave me 4.
Oh, that'll be cool. Oh yeah, I can make something cool.
Last one.
Oh, give me that.
3.
Ooh, baby.
Okay,
I can make more steak.
I just need 1 more bone.
Bone?
Yeah, 1 more bone.
You can only pick out some here, bone. Yeah, bone, buddy.
Wow.
Serious,
What if I kill you?
Okay, you don't have bones in your body.
I do.
Are
What
you
if
saying
what?
you don't have bones in your body?
I do. But what if I chop you up right now with my axe? How would that feel? I think that'll make you feel good.
Yeah, sure. I guess it will.
Okay.
Why don't you try?
Our farm's finished.
It is? Yo,
Yes, I just.
Before you leave.
No, I'm not leaving yet. I just need to finish it now and call it an episode. And
Look at me now. Look at me now.
please don't tell me you make an armor. Please don't tell me you make some armor.
No, I didn't.
No, nice.
Or did I? Look at me now.
Can I at least have the hat? My head feels cold.
Screw you, you homeless.
I'm
Is that
freezing.
offensive? Did I just call you? Is that offensive?
Probably is, but I'm cold right now.
I don't give a shit.
Please help. Please donate.
Donate to the homeless.
I'm not homeless, bro. I have some home with me. Oh, no, please. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
but you live with me.
No, you
like,
live. Oh, no.
How do I say you live?
Oh,
with me?
no. I actually made the wrong one. I kind of bone mealed the wrong one.
Is there any more cows I could slay?
You're a monster.
Man.
Guys, you should check out Blue Dread channel. I prank him. He made episode 2 by his own. He does solo. He makes some pro tips about Minecraft, and you should check.
Like a let's play.
Yeah, it's a Let's Play Plus Pro tip, so check it out. I pranked him. I don't wanna give any spoilers, but it was pretty fun. He freaked out so much he didn't know it wasn't what do you call this, JC? It wasn't
The
scripted, so
yeah.
it was
It
really
was actually
hilarious.
real.
Did we make this world out of infinite, or is there any?
It's infinite. It's probably just still loading, or you know.
I can't finish my farm now because it's daytime. What should I do for now? I'll do the roof. The roof. I'll just
How
make.
is the farm not finished?
Hey, spider. How should I kill you?
Is this all? Yo,
Holy!
Is this all carrots?
No, carrots and potato.
Okay.
Munching potato. I love that guy. He's really funny. Munching potato. You should check out his channel.
He's pretty cool guy. He's hilarious.
He's really hilarious. He actually makes me really laugh when I'm kind of down. Him and Sky. But since I already said some YouTube channels are, should I say who my favorite YouTuber is?
No, you don't want to be Mr. Picky.
A YouTube channel. Here's a clue. He's a Minecrafter. Uh, he's
Here's a
in.
clue. Everybody knows this. He's a Minecrafter, Canadian, Hunger Games. You might know that guy.
Yeah, that guy.
Yeah.
He's Canadian. Uh, he plays Hunger Games a lot. He's pretty good, damn good at it. And he says, "Oh baby, hey, no, please. Oh, here's for me to kill some skeleton, and yeah, and
Yo, look at me now. I got fully leather armor.
no way, please don't tell me you have full leather armor and me don't have any armor at all.
I don't have the leggings.
Ha! Leggings.
I need to slay more cows and get more family.
Can you help me kill skeletons?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a skeleton beside a tree. Oh no, that's 4 creepers. Please no. Please
Don't go
no.
after them then.
Please no. Leave me alone. I just want a skelly. I need to make the farm. Oh, you already lit the farm. That's good.
Yo, come on, let's go to sleep so then the skeleton will burn to death.
Yeah, but sometimes I can't find anyone. I wake up. There isn't any bone laying
Come on,
around.
just trust me. Go upstairs. Go to sleep.
No,
Come on.
I trust no one.
Just trust me.
Oh, what a dodge. Oh no.
Come on, CJ.
Oh, what a dodge again.
Dynamic drone.
Oh no, creeper.
Dude! No way! If the creeper blew this stuff out, I will kill you to death.
Dude, help me. I have half a heart. And I still need to kill a skeleton. Yes, I got his bones.
Come on. Go.
Oh, shoot.
Yo, let's go to sleep.
I'm far away from home, and he kind of blew up a piece.
Dude, let's go. What?
Yeah, the side farm.
What? I don't see any damage.
Behind you. Oh!
You died?
I died. Come on, sleep. No, there's monster nearby.
Damn it, CJ. Come on, Troy.
Can I get any item? Oh, I got my sword at least. Who's my enemy? Who's my enemy? Come at me. My friend enemy. Come on. Oh, there's a skeleton here. Why are you here when I don't need you? Oh, ultimate lag.
No, it's right behind you.
Oh,
I'm
what?
just watching you die, man.
Please, no. Skelly, no, spiders.
I'm just like, yo, there's a spider, zombie, and a skeleton after you. Dang, you must be in trouble.
No. Oh my god, come on.
Damn it,
Go to
spiders.
sleep.
No, they're really near. How can we go to sleep if they're near?
Oh, crap, I can grab the bone. I'll back you up.
Damn it, spider. That's right. Oh god, another spider! He just fell from the roof. What the heck is going on? Oh my god.
No, stop. Who's hitting me?
It's that spider problem.
No. I was flying, bro.
Damn it!
What? What's happening? Oh, this spider. Oh, he launched me. He launched me. Bro, a spider. Here, listen to me. A spider launched me up in this. What? I died from right there. Oh no. You know what? Let's just go to sleep.
Yay! I got all my leather armor but my freaking hat. It probably.
Let's go to sleep. Ugh.
There's some monster
This is so
nearby.
frustrating. Like, there's monster nearby right now. I'm lagging like.
Damn, right?
Oh, what? Okay, here what I'm gonna do. I want you to go to sleep. I'll go far as I can. Lure them out.
It's already morning. Is it? Is it already morning? Oh, there's an Enderman. I'm looking right at him. He's not noticing me.
I can see my sword. That's nice. That's nice. My sword. Oh, at least I got this back. That's what
Hey, bro, I
matters.
got a bad news for you. The creeper just went inside our house and he blew it up.
I just saw you.
Oh, I'm a liar. I'm a liar piece of shit.
Ah, yes.
Spiders.
Come on, get in.
I hate that big.
Oh, I can smell our dinner. It smells so good. There's still monster nearby. Come on, let us. You know what? I'll be a warrior. Warrior.
I'm a warrior.
Go! Go, 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 go! Kill everything.
I do that every day, right? You don't have to tell me that, you know. I always do that like every day.
Behind you. Ping pong.
Oh, you got my hat?
Yeah, my hat. He stole it from me, now I have it.
This you didn't get my leather top or anything like that.
I just want my hat. My warrior hat.
Oh, God.
Now you can sleep. Go, go, go. Just run.
I can't. I think I accidentally hit an ender. No, I didn't.
Come on, run. Let's
I
end
wish
this.
I can.
Let's end this episode peacefully.
Okay.
Please.
Fully.
Why am I not charging? It says. There we go. That was weird. It says right here if in the bottom that part.
Okay, yeah, die you monsters. Except you, Ship, I need you.
Aren't you gonna kill him?
Yeah. I don't want him to die with a sun or else his soul will be gone.
I don't think he can die with a...
Yeah,
I got the bone meal. I got 4 bone meal with me.
Another
Eating like swag. Finish my farm and end this episode.
Another creeper.
Oh no, I hit an...
What?
Yes.
Wait.
Oh no, please no. He gave me 1 potato. One
munching potato.
Yes? How many did I get? 3. Screw my life.
I can do it for you.
Have you found any bone?
No, I'm fixing the whole the creeper.
I need more bone. I need some bone donation.
You can get my.
I'll name this bone farming.
Oh dang, there's a creeper out there.
Oh yeah, I see that creeper. He has a nice face. I'm gonna throw an axe in his face.
Go on, throw it. Yeah, there, come on.
In the water. Go, go, throw him out to me. Push him to me. Oh no, lag! Push, push, come on. Ping pong. Because he's going to be attracted to you, then attracted to me, and so on and so on.
Damn it!
Accidentally. Sheep! Sheep!
Hey,
Oh, bones! Bones! Bones and sheep.
Oh, 2 bones. Okay.
Here.
Why can't I not find any freaking...
Here, give me that. I'll trade you this.
Is it sugarcane?
Your boner. I meant your... Get it? My joke, bone, and...
That's so inappropriate for kids. Don't watch it. Don't say that to your parents. I got your phone.
Well, to be honest, I don't get it why they call that thing. If it's... I'm not even gonna talk about it. Never mind.
I'm having one right now. There's a sexy pigs here.
Dude!
What?
Oh my god.
What?
Sorry guys, I don't think I can upload this episode anymore.
Why?
I think I'm gonna get flagged.
Why?
After what? Oh my god, you gave me 4 potato after.
Wait, what happened?
Okay, thanks guys for watching the episode. And I hate this guys for giving me just 4 potato in the ends. And yeah, love you.
Sugarcane! Yes! Finally! Thank Lord. Thank you God. Sugarcane.
This is a long search. We goals. It's too many goals. Have falling goals, and now we reach our goals. We'll end this a good way. My brother found sugarcane. I think it's just gonna design it outside and etc.
No, I also need it for books.
I don't know what to do with books, but whatever.
Useless books.
Wait, we can't create books yet.
Yeah, you can. And then you can make it to a bookshelf. Remember?
Why can you not see crafting stuff here? Like,
oh, you need like the materials. That's why.
Can you not transfer like? I don't know. Well, guys, see you, and I turned all the bones into bone meal.
Into a boner meal.
Oh crap!
Boner meal.
No way! No, you didn't just said that. No way!
Bone meal turns into a boner meal.
No, you stop saying, guys. I swear to God, if you hear that word, I'm really sorry. I'm still gonna think I'm gonna upload this even so. Here,
It's
you know.
appropriate. Everybody should know a boner meal.
No, please stop. I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed. See you. Love you.
Wait, how come I can? There we go.
No, seriously, there.